Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders. My name is Ngubeko Mtiene, and today I'll be taking you through some of the few things that we are looking at in the market today. I've already sent some of the trades in the group, so we are going to be looking at the fundamental and looking at why are we taking those trades and what risk are we taking there. Okay, cool. So if it's your first time seeing this, welcome to the International School of Traders. Please subscribe to this channel and follow us for more. If you want to book a one-on-one session with me, come to schooloftraders.com and click on trade, and then we will be good. Okay, cool stuff. Now let us go and see what's going on in the market today in terms of the fundamentals. We know that a couple of news have already been released, like the GDP of South Africa, which was very, very, very negative. The year-on-year was negative, but the quarter-on-quarter was a little bit positive. Why is it positive? It's positive from the previous one. The previous is 6.3, not necessarily the previous one. The previous one is 6.3, and the expected is 2.5%. When we look at the difference between 6.3 and 4.6%, which is the actual, meaning that the numbers are positive against the forecast, right? But still negative looking at the previous state, right? Cool stuff. Yeah, man, let's look at what's going on the news today. The very important ones to look at is the US imports and exports in 40 minutes from now, which is probably 2:30 South African time. And then the trade balance in Canada is also expected. Then we look at a couple of things also, like the job openings in the US at 4 o'clock. South African time. Now, let's look at some of the trade opportunities that we are discussing and have been looking at, right? So we know that the session is about to open, the US session is about to open, but what we are seeing on the Euro USD is that the dollar is currently at a little bit of a resistance right here, as we have seen that on a 4-hour time frame, this market has started giving us what can be seen as a lower lows and lower highs. So if you look at this, let me quickly draw here. If you look at draw, Mr. Mtiene, quickly. Okay, cool. So if you look at what's busy going on here, you can see some lower lows and lower highs. So that is the expectation in this particular case. We see markets bouncing on the 61.8. That is where now we are saying that we want to come in and sell this all the way down. Now, okay, awesome stuff. Let us see what's going on USD CAD. USD CAD, we haven't said anything about USD CAD. We haven't done anything, but I want to share something with you, a little bit, of information right here. Let us clear everything here, clear all drawings, cool, and then clear this one. Okay, cool. So we know that USD CAD has been on a bearish market, right? Without a doubt. And look at how this has been a level of resistance into this market, right? But with looking at how things are going right now, we can see how market is trying to push further and further up, like giving us these higher highs and higher lows. Let's see how things go, but I'm very optimistic that from here, the market is going to start skyrocketing. Another one that we took in the group is USD JPY buy. We took this buy formation simply because of, first of all, for our time frame, we are in a bullish market, right? And then bullish market, and then we took a buy here, and with the expectation that the market is going to go all the way up, right? Cool stuff. We have a safe stop loss, and we have a safe stop loss, and our entry was not bad at all. So that is why we're taking a buy towards the top side. Okay, cool stuff. Let's look at a couple of things. Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, I'm expecting us to sell anytime from now. Looking at a 4-hour time frame, we are in a bearish market. looking at how things are looking. I am looking to do something like this here. I am looking to take something like this as a short position all the way down. It's more like, you know, Euro USD. This is a bearish market when I take a short position all the way down. So I'm not doubting anything right here. But if anything happens, you know, market goes against us, we are going to be having a safe stop loss. I'll be taking a sell right now. Increase my volume a little bit, and you know, I'll share this with you guys, and then this. Okay, cool. I'll be sharing this with you in the group shortly. Please, I'll be sharing with you these in the group. So stay tuned. Okay, that's all for today. Just a quick one. I'll be with you tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday, Friday, where we are going to be trading together. And I'll be sharing with you and giving you guys some ideas throughout the day. See you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.